loves, welcome back to yet another amazing video on the channel. If this is the first time that you're here, my beautiful name is Isha Gishan and I'm a travel and lifestyle content creator from Kampala, Uganda. But if this is not your first time here, welcome back. You're the real OG. Woohoo! Guess what? I'm currently in Zanzibar, Tanzania, and I didn't want to leave this gorgeous island without showing you guys how a $2,000 room in Kendwa, Zanzibar looks like. And let me know whether it's really worth it or not. Would you actually spend that much money to come and sleep in luxury? Let me know. Are you team travel on a budget and have fun, or team luxury on your vacation slash holiday slash trip? So how about we get into the video? Let's do this. Now this is how it looks like on the outside. This is during day. This is the outside view of the resort. This is how it looks like. Ta-da! Yeah, so this is basically it. Over here we do have two beds here and one mega bed over here. It does have sideboards both sides, as you can see. These two chairs for chilling, just like the one that was outside, in case you want to chill on the inside part of the room. But again, ignore the mess. It has that fan, and it also has the AC. That's one thing that I really like about it. I like that whatever is going on there, it real gives touristy vibes. What do you guys think? I love the aesthetics. This is the curtain. Now this is the view that I wake up to. Look at the resort. Stunning. Isn't it beautiful? Comment down below. These are for putting on our suitcases. So let me know down below whether it's worth it according to what you are seeing as of now. So over here we do have the closet. Yeah, we do have our outfits in there for the trip. Right here we do have a table, a chair, a mirror, and I love this. It has this mini fridge that has nothing right now because this is our last night. Yep. Basically we put for you some, it's a coffee situation. It has different teas. There's the English tea, there is the coffee, there is the sugar, there's just some stuff that are enough for any person traveling, cups and all that. So now we go into the shower. Now this is how it looks like over in the shower. Yep, that's me. I do really love the aesthetics over here. Like, would you look at this? We have a hand soap over here for Kendwa Beach Resort. Can you see that? Okay, you can't. If you zoom it in a bit, this is Kendwa. I like the aesthetics basically. We have a body lotion, we have hand soap, we have a dryer, we have this nice sink, as you can see. All these towels are for us. So, kind of confused. What do you guys think about these two? Why do we have this toilet? We were asking ourselves, is this a toilet? Is this a sink? We're not sure. Kindly comment down below and let us know what this is used for. It basically looks like a toilet, but like a sink on top. We don't know what that works. That's used for. There is a trash can over here, which we haven't really used as much. Yeah, so basically this is how the room looks like. It also has these. Can you see that? Like the aesthetics. Love it. We do have a bath and shower gel. This is shampoo. This is hair conditioner. Let me know. Do you think this room is worth 2000 USD? Would you look at that? I love how spacious it really is. It's really, really, really spacious. Yeah. So let me know down below and leave a comment and tell me what your favorite thing about a room is um when you're booking your stay in a new country. What do you look out for? Otherwise, thanks for watching. Let's keep it looked over here for more content because I'm going to be dropping more gems about Zanzibar and how we actually managed to book our stay over here in Zanzibar, Tanzania. Until next time, guys, I love you. Bye bye. Oh, and also, if you don't follow me on IG, you are missing because that's where I